Hello to everyone. Hello YouTube company. Hello to all subscriber of mine. To all not subscriber of mine, subscribe, share, likes, and comments. To all viewers of mine, not viewers of mine, supporters of my YouTube, not supporters of my YouTube, to all nationwide and worldwide again. Same as usual. To all different countries, to different people in this world, shout out to all of us. And thank you very much that you are very patient and you are very faithful and you are spending time to watch to my all videos I have, the short videos, the regular videos, and thank you very much that you are giving you understand what I mean. You understand while you are watching of my YouTube, because my videos in my YouTube channel, because that one only is taken if I go out. I go with my my amo, to my employer, to my Celine, to the family Butche, to Madam Anser, or their friends, and if we go somewhere and I cannot make really focus to the, especially to the food, because I'm ashamed. You know already, I have no rights to say to my amo, to my madam, and so that stop eating first because I make a video. So I'm just making sliding to make some foods that what we have on the table. So that's what is the result only. Except if my madam, she is telling to me, or if we are going out and eating without sir, so it's easy. Or the family of madam, or the family of sir, or in the house. If madam, she is cooking in the house and I can make a video, so it's okay. That is na necessary. But I sir with me in the outside, so I have a management, I have control how to make only to make only slide to make in the videos, especially to the food. It's okay in the views, or the restaurant, or outside. It's okay, that is normal. Anytime I can make video in a good way. I can focus, but especially in the food, not 100%, or even if Sisi is with me only, so it's okay. At least that I can show to you, all of you, to all people in this world, that that is our daily food in Baghdad, that we have in the different restaurant. Okay, so thank you again, thank you very much. And now Sisi is with me already, so I prepared some cucumber. Maybe she want to eat, so I just go to the kitchen and I take it a cucumber. Oh, so that is our view here. So the weather is not so good. Early in the morning, you see, I make a video, and fogs is too much, and it's including the dust. And that one, I think that one we have. As of what they are telling, they have know their own, like that one here in Iraq. That one daw is from Turkey, or to another neighbor countries. Oh, so now look now. It's why windy. It's not too much windy. Okay, just why. Okay, so again I go to the kitchen, why, and make cake.